We booked a beginner's day course at Peak Blacksmithing. The plan: make some fancy coat-ups for our dressing gowns. Our expert blacksmiths and teachers are Tim and Jessica. Right, first step, light the forge. There's no smoke without fire, apparently, although that didn't seem to be the case a few times. Great, that's the first step done. Now cover it with coke and hope it lights. We chose hooks to make as you can use more than one at home, so if we did manage to make more than one, a couple might come in handy. First of all, we need to create a uniform taper. This will eventually form the scroll on the hook end. We all start with the same long bar, and Tim takes us through it step by step. There was great food, drink and snacks provided throughout the day. You could even make a very long hook. Now we are shown how to start the scroll for the hook. Adjust the curve a little. A bit of a brush to tidy up. Now we split the end in two. This split will form the heart-shaped scroll work at the top end of the hook. After each stage's lesson, Tim and Jessica come round and help us one-to-one on our work. Each side needs to be tapered and formed to the same length. Carefully form the heart shape at the top of the hook with the scroll pliers. The finished hook hot out of the forge. A bit of wax at the end will prevent corrosion and we're all done. You can make some weird things for the wall, I suppose. Maybe they'll tell us what these are in the next course.
Then you both have to look very serious.
Thanks for the brilliant day from all the students. Now that we're one-day experts, I guess we're ready for a bigger project like these gates, but perhaps we need a bit more practice.